In modern times, there are so many types of professions. Varieties of profession is there. Some are job oriented, some are business work oriented, talented work oriented, creative work oriented, innovative work is also there. So many varieties are there in profession. During analysis of financial gain or financial stability of particular native, we are first of all giving emphasis on Lagna Lord, ascendant, how the strength and the moon both should be exalted, own sign or friend sign. Next we are coming to the lordship. The lordship of fifth house and fifth house positive planet, from where we are analyzing the talent of the native. How the native is intelligence or wisdom, that can be analyzed from the fifth house positive planet and fifth house lordship. Similarly, for fortune and luck, ninth house positive planet and ninth house lord, how it is placed, where it is strength, it should be exalted, own sign or friend sign. Similarly, for karma, the profession, 10th house lord and 10th house positive planet, like sun in the 10th house gets directional strength, Mars, Saturn gets directional strength in 10th house. So, which planet is posited on that house, and the house lord, how it is posited in exalted sign, own sign or friend sign. And 11th house lord is very important. This is the profit or gain. Now 11th house lordship position, it is strain and 11th house posited planet. From that analysis, we can give the result how the native would get massive money or massive wealth in near future. So positive planet, house relationship, how it is Kendra house or in Tikona house, how it is exchange, or any Raj Yogas. The Parivartan Raj Yoga, second house Lord posited in 11th house, or second house 11th house relationship, or maybe Kendra Tikona relationship, or Gajkesari Yoga, Pancha Mahapurush Yoga, Viparit Raj Yoga. So many Raj Yogis there, Nijbhanga Yoga, Kuber Raj Yoga, Mahalakshmi Raj Yoga, so many that is also analyzed. But here the main importance should be also there on the constellation on which the planet is posited. There are 27 nakshatra in Vedic system, and when Abhijit is included, it becomes 28. Each constellation have different characteristics. So it is so much important. Why important? When Jupiter is placed in Cancer sign, it is exalted. Okay. But in Cancer sign, there are three constellations. Punarvasu, there are Pusha, there are Auslesha. Punarvasu controlled by Jupiter. Jupiterian nature is there. But in Pusha Nakshatra, it is governed by the Saturn. So it under the Saturn characteristics is there. And Auslesha is governed by the Mercury, so there may be intelligence or other criteria. So when Jupiter is placed in Punarvasu, it should have more Jupiterian nature. But when it is posited in Pusha Nakshatra, have some certain characteristics. And in Auslesha, it has the intelligence, the Mercurian characteristics. So the planet and the posited nakshatra is also important. Together with in which pada is posited. Each nakshatra have 4 padas. When deposited in first pada, giving different result. When deposited in fourth pada, it is giving different result. That is also very important. That means nakshatra constellation analysis is very important for giving prediction of financial astrology. The native would get a huge amount of money or huge amount of wealth in near future. In this discussion, in this analysis, nakshatra has important role. Now we are discussing here with some example charts. We are always taking the ascendant, the zodiac sign, the positive planet. Here we are now analyzing with also the constellation. Constellation, the simple rule is that when the positive planets all are in the exalted sign, own sign, friend sign, neutral sign, giving highest amount of result. But when maximum planet is posited in inimical atmosphere in the nakshatra or constellation, then result may not be so much good. So we have to analyze the planet is posited in friendly sign or in inimical sign. Then we can get the result. Suppose Jupiter is posited in friendly sign, it gives highest result. But Jupiter is present in inimical sign, may not give so much result. Coming to the chart of Amitabh Bachchan, famous celebrity and famous actor of the Indian world. Date of birth is 11th October 1942, time of birth 16, place of birth Allahabad, India. Aquarius ascendant and Libra zodiac sign. Here Jupiter is exalted in Cancer sign. Jupiter gets the lordship of second house and 11th house, exalted in 6th house. Here in the Cancer sign, Jupiter is placed in Punarbashu Nakshatra, 4th Pada, exalted. So native gets Jupiterian nature more than other Saturn or Mercury. Now Saturn is placed in the Rohini Nakshatra, 3rd Pada. So it is friend's attitude, Nakshatra. Similarly, Moon in Shati, it is neutral. Mars in Hasta, it is inimical. Mercury in Chitra, exalted, it is beneficial. Sun in Chitra, it is neutral. Venus, Hasta, it is debilitated, not helpful. Rahu in Magha Nakshatra, that's of Ketu. And Ketu in the Shatabisha, that of the Rahus. So all the Nakshatra are more or less helping in the birth chart of Amitabh Bachchan. Now coming to the one of the richest person, Bill Gates' birth chart. Date of birth is 28 October 1955. Time of birth 2058. Place of birth Seattle, USA. In this birth chart, what happens? The ascendant goes to Gemini and moon sign is Pisces. Here Jupiter is placed on the 3rd house of Leo sign. Leo sign, Jupiter is very strong. Jupiter is placed in the Mogha 2nd Pada. It is friendship, friends nakshatra with respect to the charts. Saturn is placed in Vishakha nakshatra. It is exalted in the Libra sign. Moon in Uttar Bhadrapada, it is neutral, 4th Pada. Mercury in Hasta nakshatra, 4th Pada, exalted. So all the planets are helpful to the birth chart of Bill Gates. Sun in Shati nakshatra, it is debilitated, not so helping. Venus in Vishakha nakshatra, own. And Mars is placed in the Hasta nakshatra. It is also not good, but it is helping here. And Rahu and Ketu, Rahu in Jyeshta nakshatra, Ketu in Mrigashira nakshatra. So this is the constellation of Bill Gates in his birth chart. So here Jupiter will get strength, Mercury also gets strength. Mars here, what happens? Mars in the Hasta nakshatra, it is somehow inimical. But other nakshatra, moon also helping in this birth chart. Now coming to the chart of Elon Musk. During the analysis of our nakshatra concept, this is the birth chart. Here is the Pisces ascendant and moon is placed in the Leo zodiac sign. Now Jupiter is placed in the 9th house of Scorpion sign. Here Jupiter is placed in Anuradha nakshatra. It is very intelligent nakshatra. That makes him too much intelligent due to effect of Jupiter on Anuradha. It is also friends with respect to the charts. Saturn is placed in the Kritika nakshatra, 4th Pada. It is also friends with respect to the chart. Now coming to the moon, Mogha nakshatra, 4th Pada. It is also friends. Mercury in Adra nakshatra, own. It is 4th Pada. Sun in Adra nakshatra, it is neutral. Venus in Mrigashira nakshatra, it is own nakshatra. Mars in the Dhanishya nakshatra, very good. It is exalted and Mars gives highest effort here in the 11th house. Rahu in 11th house in Shravana nakshatra. Ketu here in the fifth house of talent in Auslesha Nakshatra of Mercury. That makes him very much intelligent. So this constellation concept is very good enough to establish how the native is, the native's characteristics, how much intelligent he is, how much intelligent Elon Musk is, the richest person of the world. That can be analyzed from the nakshatra. Jupiter in Anuradha, very intelligent. Saturn in Kritika, helpful. Moon in Magha, very much effective. Mercury in Adra, Sun in Adra, Venus in Mrigashira, Mars in Dhanishta, very much effective for wealth. Rahu is helpful in Shravana in 11th house, and Ketu also in Auslesha, giving too much intelligence.